In the Seven Mountains Pi environment, engineers continuously improve their reVision displays by updating layouts, adding symbols, changing values, etc. reVision is a version control add-on for reVision that automatically creates backups of every save while displays are being developed or changed, allowing users the possibility of not only reverting and keeping track of changes, but also assist in auditing of critical displays by adding optional comments. As an example, if one of my colleagues changes this turbine overview display, or if I have made several edits that needs to be undone, reVision lets me quickly browse previous versions and restore the display. I can simply open the reVision tool, find the previous version that I want to restore, and within seconds I am back to where I need to be. With reVision, the Seven Mountains team always has a complete history of their displays, ensuring traceability, safer development, and proper version control for the reVision environment.